So you're going to be seeing, I made a slow cooker pork carnita, a salsa verde pork taco, and a cranberry Dijon pork tenderloin. So 3 very, very easy meals. In total, it took less than 30 minutes to prepare all of them. And I'm really excited for you guys to check them out. Please subscribe if you want to see more meal prep videos. Perfect. So today I'm making 3 kinds of pork tenderloins. I am doing a cranberry Dijon pork, and my ingredients are all right there. This one's super easy, super fast. This one is slow cooker carnitas, one of my absolute favorite dishes, and a few of our ingredients are shared with the third one, which I have not tried yet, but it is a salsa verde pork tacos. So I'm going to get these all prepped. I'm prepping them in some Tupperware containers that are going to go right into the freezer. So I'm going to get all the marinades made, and then they're going to go, the pork will go in last into all of them. They'll go right into the freezer, and one is dinner tonight. So one is going in the crock pot. So this is my pork meal prep. I am going to be setting a timer. I think I will have all of these done in less than 30 minutes. So we are starting the stopwatch to see how long it takes to make 6 meals for the freezer. All right, so I've got my yellow onion in there. I've got 3 garlic cloves, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to just get these all chopped. Now, those of you that haven't followed me before, or have watched my videos before, you know that I love this piece. It's the only way I chop my onions and garlic, and I know it makes the camera vibrate just a bit on my countertop. But that quick and easy, I've got it completely diced. So this is for the first. Oh, those onions. The onions are strong. Holy moly. Oofda. My eyes are burning. In this scene, I cut up 3 additional onions and got them diced. Now, the scene had to be cut per YouTube rules because of all the crying and profanity that ensued. So, in the comments below, please tell me your tips and tricks to make it so you do not cry your eyes out when cutting onion. Comment below, and then make sure you subscribe so you can see my other videos. So our salsa verde, this is going to be 2 cups of salsa. There's 1. Oh, that wasn't a full cup. Oops. I'll eyeball it. That's probably a half a cup. So here's 1, 2. Just gonna there we go. That looks about right. Easier. All right, so I've got 1 tablespoon of cumin in this guy. One tablespoon of cumin in that guy. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and black pepper. Black pepper. All right. Salsa verde pork tacos is almost ready. Just needs that pork. I'm going to juice half a lime and half an orange. Oh, I cut that the wrong way. Oh well, this should still work. I definitely cut my lime very funny. Let's see if I cut it. So I've got all that juice. And I'm adding in my seasonings. So I'm gonna do a half tablespoon of chili powder. Oopsies. All right. A half tablespoon of oregano. A half tablespoon of cumin. Oh man, I just love the smell of cumin. And a half teaspoon of both salt and pepper. All right, I now have the pork carnitas prepped and ready. This one is going to be going as dinner tonight, so I'm going to put it right into the crock pot and into a container. This is going to be the Cranberry Dijon pork. You guys, I'm at 17 minutes. This one goes so quick. There is no doubt in my mind I won't have this all done so quick. So these are whole berry cranberry sauce. I'm going to do a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and a packet of onion soup mix. We are at 19 minutes, you guys, and I cannot believe that I literally just have to cut up the pork tenderloins, put them in the containers, and I'm done. All right, so I have them both labeled. I've got the Dijon, which I just like to give them a shake, get everything covered. My cranberry Dijon pork, and I have cranberry Dijon pork for the freezer, pork carnitas, and Salsa Verde.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you watching until now, and I hope that you subscribe so you can see more meal prep videos coming your way.